So now that our pattern is on the fabric, we can actually get to hooping the fabric on the embroidery hoop. So no matter if you're using a wooden hoop or a plastic hoop, really the steps for hooping your fabric remain the same. Loosen your hoop by untwisting the screw and keep untwisting until you're able to separate the inner and outer ring from each other. Placing the inner ring down first, I'm going to lay my fabric on top of it and make sure that the fabric is centered on the inner ring. I also want to make sure that the orientation is matching, so my lines are going up and down and across left to right in the same way. And once I'm good with the position of this, now I can actually take my outer ring, and it's still fairly unscrewed, and I'm going to place it over top. Tighten the screw slightly, and as we tighten, we're going to adjust the edges. So I like to do opposite sides, so if I go once with my right hand directly across from the hoop, I'll tighten on the other side, and we'll just keep going around the circle until there are no bumps or bubbles. It looks good, and then we can just keep on gradually tightening it. Now that the fabric is at a level of tautness that we like, I'm just going to tighten the screw all the way so it sort of locks the fabric into this position. And now we are finally ready to start embroidering.